Hook, bold claim plus pattern interrupt. AI critics love to warn you about the dangers of AI, but here's the truth. Most of them don't even understand how it works. And if they did, they'd realize their own arguments are the real risk. Why do AI critics keep getting it wrong? Let's start with the obvious. Fear sells. Scary headlines about AI taking jobs or turning evil get clicks, but they're almost always based on outdated ideas, or worse, willful ignorance. Context. Take the classic AI will replace all jobs argument. Critics point to automation in factories or chatbots handling customer service, but they ignore the bigger picture. AI doesn't just replace jobs, it transforms them. The World Economic Forum estimates AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025, many of them roles we can't even imagine yet. So why do critics focus only on the doom? Because nuance doesn't fit on a protest sign. Explanation. Here's the real kicker. Most AI critics don't actually build or use AI. They're armchair experts who treat machine learning like a black box, something to fear, not understand. But AI isn't magic. It's math, data, and human input. When critics dismiss it as uncontrollable, they're ignoring the fact that every tool, from fire to the internet, was once called dangerous. The difference? Those tools were adopted by people willing to learn. AI is no different. Second point, concrete example. Remember when Elon Musk warned that AI would be more dangerous than nukes? Fast forward to today, and his own companies, Tesla, Neuralink, xAI, are built on AI. That's not hypocrisy, it's evolution. The critics who stay stuck in 2018's fears are the same people who'd have warned you not to use the printing press because it would destroy handwriting jobs. Takeaway. AI critics aren't just wrong. They're distracting you from the real conversation. The question isn't whether AI is dangerous. It's whether we are responsible enough to use it. And the answer to that starts with ignoring the alarmists and focusing on the people actually building the future. Want to cut through the noise and learn how AI really works? Follow for explainers that separate hype from reality. No doom, just data.